Hello friends, and welcome to edupediaworld.com. So, nowadays Russia is the biggest country in Europe, and because of it, a lot of people speak Russian language. That's why it's really important to study Russian if you want to go abroad, for example to Moscow, or even to Kiev. However, it's not a Russian city. This language is becoming more and more popular for the people of all ages all over the world, because if you know it, you can easily read the masterpieces of the world literature in original, listen to the fabulous songs, and watch funny and interesting films. So that's why we are there, to start learning Russian language. The fastest and the most convenient way to learn Russian is if we study it with the alphabet, alphabet in Russian. Over the next lessons, you will study how to read and write Russian words. By the end, you will be ready to dive into the world of Russian literature, music, and films. Ready to start? Then let's go! The Russian alphabet contains 33 letters. Don't worry about how hard it looks now, because if you would take every letter step by step, you will see how easy it is. Fortunately for you, Russian language is phonetic language, so actually every single word pronounced how they were written. Now, take a brief look at the alphabet. You can see there are so many letters that are similar in English. But don't think that they are just the same. We can divide our alphabet in 3 groups. First one, the letters which has the same pronouns and writing in both languages. The next one, and the most trickiest one. This group of letters look so much alike like English ones, but they don't pronounce the same way in Russian. And the last one. This group contains the other letters that you haven't ever seen. Some of them have a familiar sound, and some of them don't. Anyway, today we begin with studying with the first group. A. That's the sound that the letter makes. It's easy, because almost in all cases it has the same sound as the letter says. So, it's pronounced A. It is not so hard by now, isn't it? No? Let's continue. Another sound and letter, M. It is pronounced M and has the same look and sound as in English language. Let's try to make a word with these 2 new letters. Mama. Repeat after me. Mama. This one word is what we call mother in English. Can you repeat it by yourself? Great! You got it! Now is the time to finish our program. On the next lessons, we're gonna study other 3 letters from the first group, which altogether makes a word kot. Don't miss the new lesson, or you won't know what that means. And don't forget that it's a good idea to keep a notebook with the new letters and words we learn in each lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.